So in Evernote, what happens is that if you were to go around onto a notebook of your choice, by default, this is what you see. You see the note right here on the side, and you see all of the other notes that you may have on this view right here. You can see that I have a total of 5 notes right here. If I want to view these notes in a different way, then you can go around over here onto the view options. And if I were to go around and click, you can see that by default, the note is in cards view right here, which is a bunch of cards arranged out just like this. You can even see images if there are images right here. So if I were to go to snippets right here, then what happens is that it turns into another type of list, as you can see right here. It turns into snippet view instead of the card view. Similarly, you can go around onto side list right here, and this does not show any preview, but it only shows the updated time right here, and you can see the title right here. If I were to go around over here onto the top list, then what happens is that the list now comes to the top and the note is at the bottom. So if you want, let's say, more horizontal space, then you can use this view right here. So let me just go around over here back onto card view right here. So another view option that you see is you can go around and enable out, let's say, so images. So if I were to disable this, you can see that any images that might be there in the note that can be hidden. If I were to disable the body text, you just see the title of the note and you don't see any body text. If there's any tags attached, then you'll be able to see the tags tags or hide them. And if there's any reminders, same goes for the reminder over here as well. You can go around and save the current view option for this particular notebook only as well. So if I were to go around over here onto the view option and select the snippets for this one, I can save the current view for this particular notebook. If I were to go around onto, let's say, another notebook right here, this is what you have right here. As you can see that if I were to go around and change it, you can see that the view changes for this particular notebook. So if I were to go around onto this notebook, however, you can see that the view for this particular notebook is the snippets itself. So that is what you have, as you can see. If you were to go around onto the top list right here, then you can see that you can go around and find out other things, like you can see that you can see the date created details for this one. You can see the location of where it was created. You can see reminder dates, created by who right here as well, updated by information, size of the particular notebook, and even the URL information if you have it right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto the side list, then you can see that you still have these options right here. So depending on the note list view right here, you can see that there are many options, columns that you can actually enable to view more details. And over here in this particular view, you don't really see much details, but you can go around over here on the bottom and use the scroll bar right here to view more details just like this. And you can also go around and pull this out right here, as you can see, from the side and get more information out of it as well. If I were to go around onto the top list, then you can do the same from over here as well. You can go around and pull this to see more of the note area, or you can pull it down right here to see more of the list as well. So that is how you can work around with the notebook view option inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.